Hey guys, Chris here with the Angler's Edge. We did some fishing today. It wasn't as successful as I had hoped, but that's okay, because a day spent fishing is better than a day, that's right, not fishing. I don't have any paid sponsorships, but I'm going to go over my setup that I used in the videos today. Here is the V-Rod from the Catch Co. 3 positions on top, different swim position. You can change it up kind of per what you're fishing. It's caught me crappie, spotted bass, drum, a lot of different species. So we're not hunting, well, we are hunting big bass, of course, but just because we don't catch them all the time doesn't mean that we're not having fun. So before I bore you too much, let's cut to the footage. Y'all have a good evening. Oh, I think I got a turtle bite. What'd I get? Did I catch a little minnow or something? Oh.
What?
Looks like a little baby spotted bass. Oh, don't smack me, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Alright, alright. Hey.
He's feisty.
He is feisty. We got him up a little high.
He's so cute.
Oh, look at that, a little dinker. Go home, little buddy.
I wish we could keep him.
Well, that's one. He's not huge, but he's something. I feel like switching to swim bait might be a smart decision here. Oh, there we go. There we go. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, all right. Good sized little drum. Oh. Come here, little feller. His mouth is small. Let's see. Thank you for the pliers. Come here, little buddy. Alright, alright. Don't get too excited now. Well, if you give me 2 seconds, I'll get you free, bud. Let's see the purple on his back. Well, I hope you enjoyed the footage. I know it was short. I know it wasn't super impressive, but it's something I love doing is fishing. And I want to share it with each and every one of you. So if you'll please like, comment, subscribe, I'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any suggestions for video content down below, go ahead and leave a comment or feedback. You know, the more the merrier. All right, guys, have a good evening. We'll see you next time.